Hi all, this is the unboxing video of a classy looking Mahindra Thar purchased from Mahindra Retail online shop. So Mahindra, as you know, is becoming an iconic vehicle with respect to the off-road lovers and everyone. And they have come up with this nice looking scale model merchandise called Mahindra Collectibles, and I have purchased three of them. One is the Thar, and the other two you can see like the Bolero and the Bolero pickup. Right now I'm doing the unboxing video of Mahindra Thar, and have a look at it. So this is a classy looking I call it Jeep or the Wrangler or the 540, because that's the base thing of all these. So if you look at it, it's a 1:32 scale, and it's quite good in terms of the look, the packaging, and yeah, it says Mahindra Thar CRD 4x4, and it's an open top version as you see it here. So let's see how we can unbox it and have a look at it. It comes in a pretty nice packaging as well if you look at it. So I'm taking it out for you. There you go, the classy looking Thar CRD. Okay, one thing I liked about this product is how it was packaged. See, if you look at it, it came in this beautiful box, and inside it again it came like this, and beneath it's fixed with these screws at both ends. I have removed two and the remaining is here, and let me take it out, and there you go. So this is that stylish looking Thar CRD, and look at it. I mean, it's pretty neat with respect to its detailing. It's the latest model if you look at it, with the bumpers and so pretty impressed. and fast CRD. And if I look at the casing, it seems to have been made in China. And the case also says openable bonnet, front doors and tailgate, interior detailing on dashboard and seats, headlights blink on opening of the front doors, and pull back and release action. So it says bound to go where other dust toys fear to tread. So it's pretty good. I mean, I am impressed. So let's have a look at the interiors as well. So there is a nice banding out here. I won't remove it fully, and it's like this. Now I open the doors, the bonnet and the rear door, and this is how it happens out here. And the CRD engine is here, the 2.5 liter engine from the MHawk series, not MHawk but the CRD from the Mahindra CRD series of engines. And yeah, it's pretty good. And if you look at the interiors, it looks pretty neat in terms of the detailing, with the especially with the dashboard, which is to an extent, though it's a crude plastic, but it looks neat, with the park brake, the seats, the bucket seats, and the front cabinets. So this is the Mahindra Thar from the Mahindra merchandise. You can also order it online from m2mart.com, or type in Mahindra merchandise and you will get it. So for that, nice angles, there it is. At this point, I would also like to show a older Senti model that I was having. I mean, but yeah, that also looks fine, but looks more mature, but still, yeah, it's the detailing is also good. Senti used to produce a Mahindra based model sometime back, but it was more like a toy rather than a collectible. So this is a Senti model that I have with me, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do visit Engine Potted for more such unboxing videos. I'll also be doing the Bolero and the Bolero pickup once again for you. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, please do share, like and subscribe for watching more videos from us. Thank you.